Hi guys, hello and welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. This is your boy Sumant signing in for a brand new video from, I'll not be telling the place. This route comes in the top 10 list of the most beautiful rail routes to travel in India. Watch the trailer and be back. Let's start the exciting journey together. Who guessed this route perfectly? Great job, guys. For those who haven't, the route which I have chosen is Nilambur to Shoranur in one among the most beautiful rail routes in India. So the train which I have chosen for today's run will be 06466, that is Nilambur Shoranur Passenger Special. I hope the background audio was clear and crisp to know the locomotive in lead for today's run. And as it's a diesel territory and diesel kingdom, this would be a diesel locomotive which will be leading our train. The Golden Rock Ponnamalai's WDP 4D 40106 is in lead for today's run all the way till Shoranur. No loco change or traction change will be there in today's run. Let's start the journey. 10 minutes is remaining and let's start the journey. Started from Shoranur at exactly 7 in the morning. The overall stretch or the overall distance on this route will be 66 kilometers from Nilambur all the way till Shoranur, and we are given a time of about 1 hour and 40 minutes to cover this entire section with plenty of points, because this train is a passenger train and it stops everywhere for a duration of 1 and 2 minutes. That's the reason it takes 1 hour and 40 minutes to cover 66 kilometers. traveling 10 kilometers all the way from Nilambur, we have reached our first scheduled halt, Vanani Ambalam. Station code VNB. Actual arrival time 7:09 in the morning and departure is at 7:10 after having only 1 minute of halt. The name Vani Ambalam is derived from two different words. Vani means goddess Saraswati. Ambalam means temple, the temple of goddess Saraswati. Hence this place was named as Vani Ambalam. And this place is also name holder in large production or large plantation of Nilambur tea takes place at Vanani Ambalam and gets exported to various other countries as well as being used as one among the topmost quality food available in India. So after traveling 45 kilometers all the way from Nilambur, we have reached our scheduled halt Cheruvakara. Actual arrival at 7:54 in the morning and departure is at 7:55 after having 1 minute of halt. And Cheruvakara, once upon a time, this was the most beautiful railway station in India. But in the name of electrification and doubling, the beauty has been bygone. Are two main line heading towards Kannur via Papanangadi, Mahe and Talasari. And as you know, we are on the Nilambur Shoranur branch line.